Hope you guys are doing well. So what's the main reason you're not making it in the stock market? If you thought I was going to say something really complicated and technical, you're at the wrong station. If you know me at all, you know it's going to be pretty simple and very logical. If you don't know something, how can you hope, except by luck, to do well at it? And that's what 99% of the people out there do in the stock market. They don't really understand how the company's doing. They don't really understand their entry points. They don't really understand a whole lot of parts of what makes a company successful and a stock successful and an investor successful. Instead, they just kind of hear a name, or they ask somebody for a stock pick or whatever. But whatever they're doing, it's like somebody walking around blind, hoping not to bump into things without a strategy. I mean, even a blind person can do well in life if they have a plan. But if you're just walking around the stock market hoping to become rich because it's your lottery ticket, hey, listen, for every dollar made, it's a zero-sum game. Somebody's got to lose a dollar. You don't want to be that guy that loses the money. You want to be the guy that makes the money. In order to make the money, you have to be aware. As you see, it's getting dark out, and if I were to walk around in the dark, I would have no clue what I'm doing, and my chances of having success just walking down the street would be pretty low, let alone trying to accomplish all the things I do during the day. If you want to be successful in the stock market, you need to put in the work. And just because it's called work doesn't mean it's going to be painful or difficult or even unenjoyable. My process, my path has been fascinating. And the more I learn, the different angles I learn, to me, it's mind-blowing. You know, like I've said before, it's like one big ball of cheese. One guy can make money one way, another guy can make money another way, sometimes doing completely different things. One guy is buying, selling junk bonds, the other guy is specializing in overnight trades, or another guy's doing penny stocks, or somebody's doing arbitrage, whatever. Everybody's doing something else, and they're all making a lot of money. But my point is that whatever you're doing, you ought to know what you're doing. And sometimes you can even adjust, change along the way. I used to be a momentum trader. Now I'm more of a position trader. The way you trade has to match your personality type. We're going to get into that in a different video, what I call the relationship versus the marriage type of trader. What kind of trader are you? Do you even know? Do you know if you're somebody that gets married to your stocks and you want to stick with stocks and trade around them? Or are you a cowboy and you can actually jump for what's in play and try to scalp some profits? But whatever it is you're doing, you need to understand the fundamentals and you need to be humble. I have a friend, he became a multi-millionaire pretty quickly in day trading. And he said that the computer is the #1 most humbling machine in the world. Every single time you think you've got it, it reminds you that you don't. You need to stay humble and you need to learn. You need to understand the stock market. Forget about what people say. Forget about what people are thinking. You need to understand what's really going on. There are different levels. You don't pick up the girl by just walking up to her and saying, hey, I like you. Do you want to be my girlfriend? You need to understand how to play the game, how to, kind of present yourself and play it cool while really, well, you know what, this isn't a dating channel. You get the point I'm trying to make. If you want to succeed at stocks, you can either be the biggest talker in the room and say blah, 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 or you can actually keep your finger on the pulse and pay attention to what's working. I got some pretty strong critique today. And I had a good reason. The person was saying that I would do much better if I would be more focused and more alert. Now, he doesn't know that I just drove 1,000 miles right before I did the thing that I did, but it didn't matter because I want to accomplish at that thing. So I listened to his advice and I need to apply it. I need to be more eager and aggressive and energetic. And if I can't do that after 1,000 miles, then it's on me not to drive 1,000 miles when I'm going to take that on. Again, the point is, when it comes to the stock market, if you want to make it, you need to be the kind of person that's humble, that's willing to accept critique, that's not going to have an answer for everything, but rather will take it all in and sift through it and take what makes sense and make it profitable for themselves. I really hope that this video is helpful. It's not all that intricate or complicated, but it is the basic of what makes a trader successful. It's no coincidence you're going to see all my videos take place in different places, and I'm chilled down. I'm not trying to fancy up and look good for you guys, because that's not what a true trader or a true successful person in any area is about. To be truly successful, you have to be successful, not showing you're successful. Hey, if that's your bag, that's fine. But you need to really study. Like I said, get on the YouTube channels, get books. Go to Barnes and Nobles and just ask them for the day trading or the stock market section, and look through like 30 books. Read a paragraph each and see which author talks to you. There's an idea. That'll make you a better trader. That'll make you more profitable. Anyways, as you see, it's getting dark. I wouldn't stand a chance of you guys even seeing me if I made this video in a half hour from now. Do you want to be trading in the dark, or do you want to be trading in the light? I hope you guys are trading in the light, and I want to wish you a great evening, successful trading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell all your friends that you found a new guy who's going to help you make you successful. God bless you. Happy trading.